Unfortunately, today there are many species in danger of extinction. Some of them are already condemned to disappear in a few years, and although there are many organizations working to preserve them, they continue to suffer as their species slowly disappears. In this The Daily Eco video, we're going to see 10 species that are currently at risk of disappearing forever. Number 1. The mandrill. This curious animal that stands out for their striking colors on their face is in danger of extinction. This is because, unfortunately, their meat is considered a delicacy in the western part of the African continent. In fact, it's part of a trade that smuggles tons of bushmeat into Western Europe. In addition to this, mandrills also suffer from other types of large-scale hunting and from the agricultural industry that cuts down the trees where they live, limiting their habitat. Number 2. The lemur. The lemur's habitat is in the historic forest of Madagascar, of which unfortunately only 10% remains. Additionally, lemurs give birth to large litters, something that helps them thrive in captivity. However, as they have been bred from a very small genetic pool, reintroducing them to their habitat is very difficult. If we really want to conserve this animal, we must let them live in peace in the jungle. Number 3. The Anganoka turtle. Known for its unusual shape, this turtle was believed to have already become extinct. But in 1984, it was discovered that some specimens still existed in northwestern Madagascar. At that time, a captive breeding program was created, and later its habitat was named a national park to protect them. However, its rediscovery also made sellers of exotic species take an interest in them. Today, poaching has intensified, and other factors such as fires, deforestation, and agriculture has put it at risk of disappearing. Number 4. The dolphin. Many species of dolphins, both oceanic and river, are in danger of extinction. On the one hand, oceanic dolphins get caught in gill nets, something that can lead to the loss of their limbs and even to their death. In addition, the pollution of the oceans and overfishing means that less and less food is available for them. On the other hand, river dolphins are affected by the construction of dams, something that has contaminated the rivers in such a way that their recovery is highly unlikely. Number 5. The common chimpanzee. These curious primates bear many similarities to our own species, and they live in the West Central Africa. They are at risk of disappearing because they are hunted for humans to consume and because they are transported as contraband to other countries. In addition, they are also affected by logging, agriculture, oil extraction, mining, and by the roads built through their forests, something that fragments their communities. Before we continue, let's put you to the test. How many species do you think have become extinct in the last decade? A. 254, B. 385, or C. 467? Think about it, because at the end of the video, we'll tell you which answer is correct and you'll be able to check if you were correct. The panda bear. This striking exotic animal is seriously threatened. The main cause of their situation is the destruction of bamboo on the planet, which is their main source of food. However, for some time, they have managed to increase their population, and the official list now categorizes them in a state of vulnerability. So it seems that little by little, they are recovering. Number 7. The monarch butterfly. The monarch butterfly is in critical danger of extinction. On the one hand, this is caused by climate change as it modifies their migratory patterns. But in addition, their habitat is being seriously affected as well. This is because the forests which monarch butterflies live are under anthropic pressure from intensive tourist visits, illegal logging, certain agricultural activities, and the excessive use of herbicides on farmland. Number 8. The snow leopard. Poaching is the main reason why this species of leopard is at risk of extinction. It is hunted mainly for its skin, as a trophy to be stuffed, as a pet in private and illegal zoos, and even for their bones. It is also losing its habitat and is affected by climate change. As the planet's temperature increases, the snow melts in their areas and complicates their survival, as they are not prepared to withstand warmer temperatures. Number 9. The brown bear. Deforestation and the destruction of the habitat of this species is the main reason for their vulnerability. But not only that, the construction of roads prevents the population of grizzly bears from interacting with one another. In addition, even today, there are some areas of the planet where hunting continues to be a real threat to the populations of this animal. Lastly, because their reproductive period is very slow, it's very difficult to increase their population quickly, making them one of the most endangered animals on our planet. Number 10. The vulture. This animal protects mammals that are in danger of extinction. This is because when an animal dies, it is automatically marked by a circle of vultures. Thanks to this, guards are alerted whenever poachers go after an animal. Unfortunately, these hunters are retaliating by spraying their prey with cyanide, killing dozens or even hundreds of vultures. And going back to the question we have asked you before, have you thought about it? The correct answer is C. According to the International Union for Nature, 467 species have been reported extinct in the last decade. Leave us a comment below about how you think we can help these species. Thanks for watching this The Daily Eco video, and we'll see you in the next one.